today, what's important to watch out will be the 21 DML level, which is somewhere around 800. Okay. 24,800 will be the first level to watch out. I think below that, there is a, 200 points range, which is open till the 50 DMA. So you can say that till 600. So 50 DMA is the red line, which is around 24,600. तो वहां तक एक जगह हो जाती है निफ्टी में. So the next range will be 600 to 800. Nifty will surely or mostly will try to get a good support at least at that level, because 50 DMA has acted with a good support even in the last month as well, and even previously also. I don't think we have seen a major fall below the 50 DMA. See, every time at red line we generally find support, या फिर एक आध दिन या दो दिन उसके नीचे जाते हैं, but broadly we recover and get back to that level. So that is what we are expecting this time as well, that 50 DMA might act as a good support. But I think the global market scenario is very different. There is some sharp fall in the US market. उसको फॉलो करके एशियन मार्केट में भी एक फॉल है. So let's see how we react. Otherwise, if you look at the macro as well as the micro indicators in the Indian market, the GDP growth, the results, the high frequency indicators, the e-way bills, you can say the GST collections, I think things are quite healthy. Inflation is also well under control. Okay, the crude oil prices have fallen sharply, which is always positive for us. So as a overall economy अपना देखे तो crude oil के घटते दाम अपने लिए अच्छे हैं, and that is what happened over the last few weeks. So broadly, there are good chances that we might hold around 50 DMA, maybe 1 or 2% here and there, but we might hold around that level. So the distribution day count is elevated. अभी 3 हो गए हैं. So what we want is कि या तो 21 पे या तो 50 पे सपोर्ट ले ले, क्योंकि हायर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन डे पे अगर मूविंग एवरेजेस के नीचे हम बंद होते हैं, then that is negative for the market. But let's see what happens. On the higher side, I think, firstly, we need to reclaim the Friday's high. So there is some time, to reclaim those highs. So first, let's see. I think in today's session, the more important will be the supports than the, going higher. Okay. So some news, Mazagon Dock backed order worth around 1,500 crore from ONGC. RBM Infra received order of around 3,500 crore. Okay. For a tonnage from Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. Radico launched 2 new single malt under Rampur Jugalbandi Series. Nazara Tech buys 48% stake in Paperboat for rupees 300 crore. Hexaware Technology files for DRHP with SEBI for around 9,950 crore IPO. Now, global market updates. Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, सब में fall मिला. Nasdaq was down around 2.6%, S&P 1.7%, while Dow 1%. If you look at the Asian market, Kospi was down 1%, Shanghai 1%, and Nikkei more than 2%. GIFT Nifty, it does indicate a negative opening, but इतना कोई मेजर कट नहीं दिख रहा है. जिस तरह से ग्लोबल मार्केट में फॉल आया, अगर फ्राइडेज का अब क्लोजिंग देखो तो 850 था निफ्टी पे, बट एफएनओ में इफ यू सी इट वाज अराउंड 902, 24,902. तो फ्यूचर्स टू गिफ्ट निफ्टी फ्यूचर अगर आप कंपेयर करें तो 50-60 पॉइंट के फॉल के साथ एक्सपेक्टेड है ओपनिंग, बट ब्रॉडली ऐसा कोई मेजर फॉल नहीं है. यस, आफ्टर ओपनिंग वी नीड टू सी व्हाट हैपेंस, बिकॉज देखो अगर 50 पॉइंट का फॉल आता है देन ऑन कैश वी विल एग्जैक्टली ओपन एट 21 DMA. सो वी नीड टू सी, might be first 15 minutes can be a bit volatile here and there, but broadly we need to see that the major part of the day we spend above the 21 DMA. The last part, the chart of the day. So Epack Durable, this one looks interesting to us. Last year, or I think this year itself in January, it came up with the IPO. But after the IPO, there was some sharp fall. But again, it has given some good returns over the last 3-4 months, and now forming a stage 2 cup with handle base. And no, the fundamentals have been improving over here. It is one of the top 3 players of AC manufacturers in India, original equipment manufacturers, and many other small appliances is also the Epack Durable makes. So overall, it's a good stock, good story, and broadly the fundamentals have also improved. It is just 4% to pivot. Even in the Friday session, it made a good move. तो आई थिंक ड्यू टू मार्केट सिनेरियो थोड़ा नीचे आ गया था, बट फिर भी वो 1.5% ऊपर बंद हुआ था ऑन अ डिसेंट वॉल्यूम. So that shows the strength in the stock. So let's see if this can go ahead and we can get a good gain in this one or not. But it is 4% to pivot, so let it cross the pivot. Market भी थोड़ा वापस shape में आ जाए. That is where you should watch out for quality stocks like these. So that's it for today's session. Thank you. See you again tomorrow at 8:45 a.m.